If you are under age 16 and this is your first passport or your current passport has expired or will be expiring, obtain the DS-11 passport application in one of the following ways. Visit the Lamont Public Library Information Desk to pick up a paper application to complete in black ink, or print an application from the U.S. Department of State website, travel.state.gov. Be sure to print the application as 2 separate pages, not double-sided. Then complete the application using black ink. Lastly, you can also use the PDF form filler on travel.state.gov to complete the DS-11 passport application. Print a copy of the completed application and bring this to your appointment. Be sure to print the application as 2 separate pages, not double-sided. In addition to your completed application, there are required documents necessary to bring with to your passport appointment for children under age 16. The first part is identification and parental relationship. The child or children and both parents must attend the passport appointment, and both parents must present a valid photo ID, preferably a current driver's license. A parent or guardian with sole custody can attend the passport appointment with the child applicant and must present a valid photo ID, preferably a current driver's license, along with a court order granting sole legal custody to the applying parent. When both parents are unable to be present at the passport appointment with the child, Form DS-3053, which is a statement of consent, issuance of a U.S. passport to a minor under age 16, must be completed, notarized, and signed by the non-applying parent and should be submitted with the passport application, along with a front and back photocopy of the non-applying parent's ID. You can visit the U.S. Department of State passport website, travel.state.gov, for more details on required documents if one or both parents are unable to be present at the passport appointment for a child under age 16. The second part of required documents for a passport application for applicants under age 16 starts with proof of U.S. citizenship. To prove citizenship, applicants need to provide one of the following: an original or certified copy of the applicant's birth certificate, a certificate of naturalization, a consular report of birth abroad or certification of birth, a certificate of citizenship, and a previous U.S. passport book or card. If your child had a previous U.S. passport book or card that has expired and you are renewing, this passport book or card will be sent with the child's application. Note, the Department of State requires that the original or certified copy of citizenship documents be sent with the passport application. Any original documents will be returned to your mailing address after the new passport has been processed. Next, get a photo. Get a passport photo taken at an authorized photo facility. Bring this photo to your appointment. The library does not take passport photos, and do not attempt to take this photo on your own. The last is payment. Applicants must bring a personal check, cashier's check, or money order made payable to the U.S. Department of State to be sent with each individual application to cover the passport fee. A separate processing fee of $35 is paid to the library by credit or debit card, cash, or check. There are a few tips to completing the DS-11 application. On page 1 of the application, Complete the form using black ink only. Do not attempt to correct any mistakes. If you make a mistake, you must start over with a new form. Mark which type of passport document you are applying for at the top of the form. Current passport fees can be found on the travel.state.gov website. Use the boxes in question 5 to list your Social Security number. Applications will not be processed without this information. Do not staple your photo or sign the application. This will be handled by the passport agent at your appointment. Last, use the newest version of the DS-11 application, which is 04-2022. On page 2 of the DS-11 application, question 10 requires information about the parents of the applicant. When listing the mother's last name, make sure to use the last name of the applicant's mother at the mother's birth, also known as the mother's maiden name or given last name. Question 21 is where you will list the information from your current passport, including name, passport number, and issue date. Mark if you will be submitting your current passport with your new application. To process your passport application at the Lamont Public Library, locate the How to Plan Your In-Person Visit section under the Passports page on our website. If you have a question about any information presented here, please contact the Lamont Public Library Information Desk at 630-257-6541. Visit the U.S. Department of State passport website at travel.state.gov to learn more about required documents, passport fees, and current processing times.